Hey everybody, Chris Ragsdale here, founder of Piedmont Financial Consulting, and happy Friday. Can you believe that we are about halfway through the month of January? And you know what that means, right? Tax season is right around the corner. So, what I wanted to do today is really talk about some strategies to help you for your taxes for this year. So, next year you're not scrambling on the back end, seeing what you can do to reduce your tax burden. And this particular message, I wanted to talk to the entrepreneurs out there, those that are self employed, those that have 1099 income, right? So let's just say a lot of you I know have an LLC, right? And let's just say you're really successful. You're bringing in about $160,000 a year. Why did I pick that number? Well, you'll see in upcoming episodes as to why I picked that number. But for right now, let's just say $160,000 a year. And your business expenses run about $12,000 a year. Now, one thing I get from a lot of entrepreneurs are like, how do I save? Chris, how do I save? How do I set money aside for retirement? Because me being an entrepreneur, I don't have access to a 401k. Well, actually, you do because there's this thing called a solo 401k. So you definitely want to talk to me about that, and I can show you the ins and outs of it. And I really want you all to pay attention to this solo 401k because like the 401k out in the traditional corporate world, you too can put away $22,500 in 2023. So it's $22,500 that you can contribute. That also lowers your tax liability, right? Now, another bonus is as an entrepreneur, you are the employer and the employee. So you, the employer, get to contribute to you, the employee's 401k. So you get to contribute, get this, up to 25% of the net income. Now, if we use that example, that number that we used earlier of $160,000, the net income is simply figured out by subtracting the business expenses. That leaves $148,000. 25% of that is $37,000. So in this instance, the company portion of you is contributing more than you, the natural person. And then you add to that a $13,850 standard deduction, which we'll touch on that in another video. And all told with those numbers, your new tax liability is only $74,650. You dropped an entire tax bracket. But best of all, you saved $59,500, which is huge. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, like, oh, wow, that's a lot of money. Don't get caught up on the dollar amounts, get caught up on the principle. So, what we're going to do in coming episodes, we're going to talk about that standard deduction, like I promised, but we're also going to talk about Roth conversions because with that $160,000 amount, that person can't contribute to a Roth IRA. So they can't contribute to that normal tax free account. But you can convert to it, and I'm going to show you how that's done in coming episodes. So in the meantime, in the notes to this video, go down and click on the link. Get on my calendar. I want to be able to help you out. I want to be able to help you plan for your future. This has been Chris Ragsdale, founder of Piedmont Financial Consulting, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.